Spirit to direct everything I do. And I'd just like to open up with a word of song first. I certainly have been through the fire, and but God tells me He is always with me, and He'll never leave me nor forsake me. Right. I think we all can relate to the struggles and the tribulations that we go through, but my God says to count it all joy. Yeah. Count it all joy. So just worship with me as I sing. Questioning certain circumstances, but things I could not understand. Many times in trials, weakness blurs my vision, and my frustration gets so out of hand.